Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw arrow in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option, select. Now click this drawing tool option and here you will find this arrow option, click here and draw your arrow. Now select the arrow thickness option and I'll increase this arrow size and move this. Now increase its thickness. Now select the color option and select border color and here you can say arrow color and now click the gear option. Here you can change arrows, starting points, close or bar you can select it and so on, and end you can make it diamond and open, and this is here you can change arrows thickness and this arrows opacity and select OK, and I'll also do another arrow there, arrow thickness and see this. Now you can move this arrow, you can increase decrease this arrow size and move and sense this thickness. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.